Hey guys, and welcome back to a new episode of Six Guns Gang Showdown. And today we'll be not joined by nobody because, Yoshi is just not having a feeling about doing a new game when he just actually did it. New game. So, I'll tell you a lot about Pixel Gun. Six guns. Sorry about that, because I just made a video about Pixel Gun. So I'll show you about. So first thing first, when this guy was actually a regular cowboy, a regular man. So when he was very thirsty, and so this lady came up to him, gave him a glass of water, and then he woke up, and then he heard a scream, and then he followed that scream, and then he saw a woman get hurt by a couple of bandits. So the woman knocked the gun out of their hands and gave it to him, and then he got the gun and he shot the man. So. And I'll show you what kinds of guns I got. Same thing I got. Well, I'll show you what the suit was. This is what the suit. This was a suit when he was first when he first played. And also, these are all my suits that I got. I don't have the full one because I'm kind of looking for more strength and more army. Might have to get the other thing back, so there we go. Okay, and there's also the guns I got. There's another one. I got the rusty gun. That one, when the woman that I saved knocked out the hand of the bad guy. And a Burnside Caribbean, a double barrel shotgun, the dual guns, recovered sniper rifle, and also, I don't really know how to spell that though, because it's kind of, I'm really blurry. Why is it really blurry? Pumped shotgun. Okay. What we're trying to do today is trying to tell you, do a couple missions and to get to level 28. So let's get started. By the way, here's my horse. I call him Lucky. So this is how you move. You have to press this one to move the horse. This is the way and this is the same way how actually you move the character. So look, there's actually and these are the ones I have right now. This one. Actually, you have all of them. And this one. I mostly have all of them actually. Mostly have to buy I fit one of this one. Snake. I shoot him. There you go. Oh, another one. What's up? Snake. Okay, there we go. Let's find a mission. Let's go on a map. And let's just, let's see. Let's see if we could probably, go to the... Let's go to the town. Okay, let's see. Let's go here. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, and let's see. I'll show you around here. Well, here is actually a short place. see. Well, this is where I like to go more time to get, money. Like, experience points and money. What the heck happened to this guy? I never see this guy here. Whoa. He left his gun. Can I take it? Can I take it? Oh, no, I can't. Eyes all over it. I'll show you about this mission. It gives you a lot of money. So I'm working on it.
Hello there.
1,000. Oh, nice. Okay, let's see. Okay. Just do it. Ready, set. Let's do this. Whoa.
You're a dead man walk.
Hello, guys. What's up? Good thing when I die, I could probably heal with the potion. Man, it's a shotgun. Dodge. Okay. Okay, let's see. There's a lot of action in there, actually. I'm not killing you. I'm kidding. And with the wish down, I can take these guys down. I think I have 1,000 lives since I'm 135.
Last mistake.
Okay, well. Come on, I gotta run. Oh, you got me. And Noah was down, for goodness sakes. Okay. Let's try out this one. Okay, aiming. See if I can aim. See? Okay.
Dead man walk.
I'd be recorded.
All you got.
There we go. Wave 2. Actually, there's actually 20 waves, so it's gonna take pretty a long time. I'll probably have to pause it. And I'll save the waves. I can't really save it, so it's probably gonna have to take all day. Three portions. That's down. I need to get more bullets from here. Okay, let's go over here. Free bullets. There we go. That's okay, I'm gonna pop it. Settle there. Might need to delete some stuff. Okay. Some of these slats. Okay. I don't need these anymore. They're actually useless. I'm gonna get 2 things. Okay, first I'm gonna get the. I'm also gonna go get the. Tell me on the chat when I'm done this. Tell me in the chat when you're done this. When I'm done this video. Tell me if you want to make me do like a this or also or you know, multiplayer.
Or something.
Okay, this guy's almost dead. This guy's checking. This is a glitch. See my, I don't use this one. Hunting. I don't use this one. Pew 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 pew. Okay, right. Obviously me. I'll be some meat. I got the strongest one first. That's a good thing.